जनता का गुस्सा फूट रहा है, मोदी का तिलिस्म टूट रहा है। भारत के इतिहास में अब तक 14 प्रधानमंत्री हुए, लेकिन किसी प्रधानमंत्री के साथ ऐसा सलूक नहीं हुआ जो आज पीएम मोदी के साथ हो रहा है। पीएम मोदी ने अपने झूठ और झांसा से देश को गुस्सा दिला दिया है। गरीबी और भुखमरी के कारण जनता में आक्रोश है और यह आक्रोश बढ़ता जा रहा है। बेरोजगारी 50 साल का रिकॉर्ड तोड़ रही है। पर कैपिटा जीडीपी में भारत बांग्लादेश से पिछड़ गया है। हंगर इंडेक्स में 107 देशों में भारत 94 पायदान पर है। 40 करोड़ भारतीय गरीबी रेखा के नीचे जिंदगी गुजारने पर मजबूर हैं। हर तरफ त्राही त्राही का आलम है। जनता का गुस्सा फूट रहा है, मोदी का तिलिस्म टूट रहा है।
नमस्कार। सुशांत सिंग राजपूत यांनी आत्महत्या केली वाईट. अर्णव गोस्वामी यासाठी खूप ओरडतो. माझ्या सासूबाईंच्या आणि नवऱ्याच्या मृत्यूला आत्महत्येला अर्णव गोस्वामी जबाबदार आहे. मागच्या गव्हर्नमेंटनी ही केस दाबून टाकली. या केस संबंधी मी दारोदारी फिरलो. अजूनही मला न्याय मिळाला. मला न्याय कधी मिळणार? अर्णव गोस्वामी माझ्या कुटुंबियांचा गुन्हेगार आहे आणि त्याला अटकही झालीच पाहिजे. सर्व महाराष्ट्रीय बांधवांना मी विनंती करते की नाईक कुटुंबांना न्याय मिळवून देण्यात आमची सहायता करा. जे लोक सुशांत सिंग राजपूतसाठी ओरडत आहेत त्यांनी नाईक कुटुंबियांसाठी पण ओरडावं ही विनंती. I need to make arrangements with my family. So please wait outside. No, you don't physically assault.
Please. What you are doing is madam, you are doing illegal things. You fear Supreme Court of India. Madam, please sign your signatures. Please sign it.
Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Come. Don't touch my son. Nobody has touched my son. You have touched my son. You assaulted me. Please come. You physically assaulted me. You cannot physically. I'm telling you, you're physically assaulting me, assaulting my family. Please cooperate.
Don't lie. Tell whatever you want in court. Okay? You just put it in your signature. I need a friend to sign.
Why is he physically assaulted me? Why is he beating me in the house in the morning? I'm the editor-in-chief of Republic TV. You are physically assaulting me. Is this correct? Sachin, you tell me why you're physically assaulting me. I will not accept physical assault.
What you picking up? I'm what you doing? I will what you want to write.
physically assaulted me inside my house,
मैं बात करता हूँ.
8 o'clock.
if you physically assaulted me inside my house,
8:05.
Shammo, do not sign these papers. They are trying to force you to do it. You cannot physically, they cannot physically assault me inside my house. Shammo, they have physically assaulted me inside my house. I will seek the advice of my lawyer. I will cooperate. No, I will, One second. Listen to me, Sachin. Sit down. Maintain social
आप बैठिए, आप सब बैठिए ना प्लीज.
Maintain social distancing and sit down.
Ma'am, you give it to me paper, yeah. You put your signature and keep the fight. Please give it. Give it. Let me talk to Arnav once.
No, you can't physically assault.
You can't do this.
I have to make arrangements for my family member. I will make arrangements. You can't. I have to make arrangements. I have elderly parents. I have to make arrangements for that. Treatment. They are not there. My hand is injured. I'm supposed to go to the
You are an
hospital.
encounter cop.
You're Sachin Wazza.
You are a Sadhvi Pragya beater, no?
Shammo.
Okay.
You are Sachin Wazza. Sachin, listen. Sit down.
Sit down.
No, I will take the advice of my family. Sachin, yeah, so why did you leave now? Residents standing there. No, but I can't do this while you are sitting there. There are 20 people in the house. No.
Don't worry. We are ready for any problem. Don't worry.
Shammo, you were physically assaulted. You have. Sachin, you and he have. This physical assault chain which has happened, I just want to tell you viewers, these are the people here. Shammo, is this live? These are the people who have physically assaulted me.
प्लीज कॉपरेट लीगल एक्शन है. आपको पूरे लीगल राइट्स है. आप जो करना है आप एडवोकेट को बोल दीजिए. आपको पूरे लीगल राइट्स है. लेकिन अभी आपको हमारे साथ चलना
You
पड़ेगा.
assaulted.
Shammo, they have assaulted.
Yes, I have got that all live. That's one live.
And this person assaulted me. I don't know his name.
आप चाहिए.
Oh, आपका तो CCTV नहीं है. This is
Shammo, one second.
okay, guys. Everybody see this all over India. This is the man. He doesn't have a tag.
Shammo,
He doesn't have a tag. We don't even know whether he's actually a legit police officer.
Shammo, one second. These people are physical. I just want to give a report before you. Shammo, first of all, don't worry.
आप कॉपरेट
Everything will be alright. These people have entered my house and physically assaulted me. This is therefore the high-handedness of the Mumbai police. They came at 6 o'clock in the morning. They physically assaulted me. They pulled me out of my house. They dragged me by my belt. This person and Sachin Wazze, who has entered my house illegally, have physically assaulted
Illegally
me.
they have entered. This gentleman in the plain clothes also assaulted. This gentleman in the blue shirt and plain clothes has also assaulted. And we have shown you live that
I don't
entire.
know why he physically assaulted me. I want to file a case.
तो इसके ऊपर लीगल एक्शन
He has physically assaulted me.
लीगल एक्शन
He has physically, no, I want action against Sachin Wazze and this person, Praveen
Where is
Pandya,
that Sachin Wazze
who physically
now? Where
assaulted
is
me.
he escaped?
Who physically assaulted me.
अभी आपको चलना है.
No, physical assault is unacceptable and it cannot be done. Listen, he's an encounter cop. Listen, you please go down and make arrangements. You please go down and make arrangements.
You will use force. We would like to see you. Use.
You use force, but I need to make
You
arrangements.
are threatening. No.
If you say that you're going to use force,
Please.
it will be shown to the
We will show it live.
Requesting you please
No, you assaulted. No, you assaulted.
I'm requesting you not please cooperate with us.
Then you.
Praveen, I'm requesting you very calmly. Very calmly.
As per your request,
Now
you
this is now.
You are assaulted now for
2 hours. I'm standing there.
You have physically assaulted me, I am injured. I never need medical advice. Because of your physical assault, I am medical advice. So I take medical advice. He has physically assaulted me.
Medical assistance भी मिलेगा. Legal assistance भी मिलेगा.
सचिन जी मुझे फिजिकली असॉल्ट किया गया है इसलिए मैं और मैं कोई आई एम अ वेरी वेल अवेयर सिटीजन इफ यू फिजिकली असॉल्टेड मी आई नीड medical advice before leaving because after the physical assault I am not feeling well.
अभी आपको चलना है. Cooperate.
I need
We would like to request
I need to make arrangements for my family. Please, Shamo, just record it. I want to talk to my family before you. Will you leave the room immediately to speak to my family? I want to speak to my family. Please, we are
प्लीज कॉपरेट
प्लीज आप लोगों को तबीयत खराब लग रहा है
चलो 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 प्लीज
थोड़ा पैसा
I was not there.
You were there.
No, please.
Not physically assault.
No one has physical assault you. You are
First of all, don't surround me like this.
you are in our custody. You are no one to dictate.
We are requesting.
You are in our custody. You are in our custody. You are in
You have physically assaulted me.
I have not. I have not.
What is the charge?
Sorry?
What is the charge?
We will tell you. We will give in writing.
you have copy to your wife.
But anyway, we have already given it, sir.
Please ask her. No, I have not seen anything. She found the paper. I couldn't read. You took it away.
चलो
I couldn't read. You took it away.
अर्नब जी चलिए.
Once again, I will tell you. Once again, I will tell you. His case number
Yeah, that's
69 of 2018 under section 303 IPC about Tiger Police. Come on, just disclose. Not close. Open. Chalo.
You are arrested.
You are arrested by Tiger Police. Come on.
You are being arrested by Tiger Police.
चलिए प्लीज चलिए.
Sorry.
Or no, you are not feeling well. You will not leave
You
now.
assaulted me. Shamu, listen, I want to speak to my wife. I want to speak to my wife.
Or no,
You can't do it.
काय करू नका म्हणजे शांतपणे सांगून बघितलं ना. दरवाजाच्या बाहेर आम्ही 1 तास उभे होतो ना मॅडम. मग 1 तास आम्ही बाहेर उभे होतो ना. मग ही प्रॉपर गोष्ट आहे का? तुम्ही पोलिसांना बाहेर 1 तास उभं करून ठेवलंय आणि तुम्ही चुकीच्या बातम्या स्प्रेड करताय.
अर्नब जी चलिए प्लीज.
Come, get up.
But I need to consult my doctor. You will get everything. Doctor, Jay, Shamu. Just call the doctor. We have Shamu.
No.
I need to speak to my wife.
You are creating trouble for yourself.
I need to speak to my wife. Shamu! Shamu! Don't push my son. Shamu!
Relax.
Shamu, record this.
Wait.
Shamu, record this.
No, my God.
तू जामध्ये
मुझे मेरा जूता पहनना है। शामो, चेक करना। मुझे मेरा जूता
Let me come down to my house.
I need to wear my shoes.
एक मिनट तू मध्ये आपल्याला पार्किंग मध्ये मग स्टेअरकेस नाही राहिलं लवकर स्टेअरकेस नाही राहिलं